Welcome to Oracle Application Express, the user interface, changing a template. Now that we have a good understanding of themes and templates, let's go ahead and make a change to one of our templates. If we take a look at the login page, right-click on Login and select Edit, you can see that the login page is using the Chris login page template. I'm going to upload a new image file into my database, and then I'm going to modify the Chris login template to display that image on the page. Using the free tool FileZilla, I've established a connection to my database. Like the previous lessons, I don't establish an FTP connection to the server itself. I actually establish an FTP connection to the database. In my images directory, I've copied this file called infiniteskills.png. I can now reference that file as part of my template. I'm going to modify the Chris login template for the page. So if I go under Shared Components and go to Templates, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to edit my Chris login page template. This template is getting a lot of its formatting information from the CSS file referenced here in the header. But I can also make changes to the header, the body, or the footer. I'm going to go into the body and I'm going to add a line. This is going to reference the new file that I just uploaded called infiniteskills.png. Once I apply the changes to the template, any page that uses this template for its formatting should display the Infinite Skills logo in the top left-hand part of the screen. Let's see if that's accurate. If I scroll down to my Chris login template, there's one place inside my application where it's being used. I knew that it was on the login page. So I'm going to run this login page now. And as you can see, it's taking all of the information that was in the existing template, but it's also now including the PNG file that I'm referencing inside that template. Any other page that uses this template will automatically see the Infinite Skills logo on the top left-hand part of the screen. Another way I could do this is by defining a logo for the application and then using the logo substitution string inside my pages. If I go into Edit Application Properties and then click User Interface, I can define a logo by selecting Image under Logo Type and then specify the path that the Oracle Apex engine will use to find this infiniteskills.png file. Once I've done that, I can go back into my template, edit the Chris login page template, and instead of specifying the actual file and how it's going to be displayed on the page here in the body, I can use the logo substitution string inside the body of my template. I'll apply the changes, which saves the changes to the template, go back into my application, and run the login page. As you can see, the logo here is on the top left of the screen. Just to prove that this is the case, let's edit Application 101. Let's take a look at page number 2, which is Movie. Movie is going to use the theme default. For pages, the default page is called One Level Tabs No Sidebar. So let's edit that guy and do the same thing that we did in the other template. Beginning of body, we'll put logo there. We'll apply the changes. So if we go back into our application and take a look at, let's say, page number 2, we edit the page. It's using the theme default, which we said was One Level Tabs No Sidebar. We apply the changes. You can see the Infinite Skills icon is displayed on the top left of the screen.